So we had the dumping station. Then during operation, it will automatically suck the material, okay, and then keep the material in this buffer hopper. So this screw conveyor will be activated by the lever. Okay, when the lever is low, then it will activate the product coming in. Over here we have unscramble. So the can will deliver to here, and then by the turntable. Okay, so turntable will bring the can to the filling location, and when the sensor detected, then we start dispensing material. So before that, we have this weigher below. So the weigher will check the weight. We'll tear the weight, then start filling. After filling, then the turntable, we're going to shift it to here, shift the can to here for vibrating, so compacting the product. After compacting the product, then it will shift all the way to here, then discharge. So when discharged to here, it will pass through the metal detector. So this will be the filling station. Then you pass through the metal detector to check the weight. So, and after checking the weight, then we will have this checking weight. This is a metal detector. This is check weight. After checking weight, here we have dual rejector. Okay. Then from here, the cap will be sorting. It's coming out and discharge to here. And this is a discharge chute. So in every one time, this can separator will release one can coming in. The can will pull one cap, and then this turning roller. Okay, the turning roller, we're going to screw the cap into the bottle, and after this we come to here. We have this device for checking whether the cap comes with the aluminum foil. So if this detect the cap without fouling the aluminum foil, then the rejector will be activated. After this, we have this inductive sealer. It's pretty simple. So when we turn it on, set the value, then when the can passing through, the aluminum foil will be heated. After this, it comes all the way to our labeler. So in any one time, it comes all the way to here. When here is detected, this clamping roller will be extend and clamp the can over here. Then the label will start dispensing. At the same time, the roller will turn. After this, they come to here. Then we come to the printer. After printer, then we come to our collecting table.